Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Gonna have to excuse whatever that was. So, you may be asking, what are you bringing to the table today? Well, I decided that today we're just gonna do a quick little mukbang, smoke sesh, and maybe even a get ready with me moment. But I'm gonna try to make sure that this video isn't too long, because the last one for it to be not well, the first video of 2025, and the fact that it was the very first video that I've been able to post in months. It was a crazy long video. But I want somebody to explain to me why y'all motherfuckers keep viewing my shit and you don't like my last video still has 0 likes. Oh my lord. Just thank y'all that we're already under the influence. Already under the influence. Oh my lord. I don't know when we're gonna be getting big all up on this YouTube and everything, but I know one thing. Whenever I have a certain amount of followers, or if I have enough followers where I can just call you like fans or something, I've been thinking of like what I should like name everybody, because like everybody like has a name for their like fan base or whatever you want to call it. So I'm thinking that once we get up there, I think that y'all will just be called the besties. And what is this? Well, I thought my thing was messed up. I don't even know where this tripod came from. It was my cousin's, but I'm just glad that I get to use it so that I can film my YouTube videos. Alright, we're now past the 2-minute mark, so I think it's safe to get started with the video. I don't know. I was watching somebody one time talk about how they was scared, or something about that one of their YouTube videos got taken down one time because they showed or like said too much before the 2-minute mark. And when I say show too much or do too much, I'm talking about this. Well, first of all, this is just a nicotine device. We only do nicotine around here. That's the only thing that we know. And we have 2 nicotine devices. So yeah, we're just gonna mukbang today and just keep it really short, sweet, and simple, because it is already after 3 o'clock the day that I'm filming this at this moment, and I have to get ready to go to town soon. So for today's mukbang, let's just see what we got here. So we have French fries, and these French fries are actually really, really good. I promise you. Thumbs up. These fries have I think they might have already been seasoned fries to begin with, and there's chili powder on it. I put that first, and then I put shredded cheese, and the shredded cheese I put was cheddar, and then after that I put some Parmesan cheese, the powdered stuff or whatever you call it, and yeah, the not powdered sugar, powdered Parmesan cheese. I'm so high, bro. I can't do this. And then I put sour cream and ranch. And I think that's it. And then this is just a hamburger. Nothing special happening. Okay. So, we just hit the 4:20 mark. Y'all know what time it is. That was a really, really good rip. Anyway, it's time to start mukbanging. Now, I'm gonna try to remember every time I upload a video to make sure I include my my Instagrams and all that good shit. I think my most followed, or the most followers I have on all of my social media platforms, is Instagram. I have 420. Would you believe it? Me having 420 followers, and I am a 420 lover. My birthday's also just past 420 anyway, so I mean, I'm just, I don't know. That hamburger's good though. It's been a minute since I've done a mukbang. It's been too long because I love mukbangs. And if any of y'all watch this video and y'all like mukbangs yourselves, I think you'll really like Trailer Trash Tammy. I want to collaborate with Trailer Trash Tammy one day, or aka Chelsea Lynn. And I love her family. She's got a really good family. Like, I love Jim. I love Crystal. And they all do the mukbangs together, and it's just a very fun time. I think probably my favorite mukbang they've done together is when they went to Popeyes, because I love Popeyes chicken. Popeyes slays. And the fact they even had a turkey that you can buy for Thanksgiving. It's so crazy! But I've never tried it before. I don't know how much their turkeys are, and I live with people who have money but are too scared to spend it. And I'm tired of getting notifications on my phone, and my phone better still be recording, because this video is going up as soon as possible. I wish I could remember what I'm drinking. It's like a blue soda. It's blue and it's a soda. I think it was like blue lemonade or blueberry something, or I don't even know. But it is good. And all of y'all should get a cup like this, because everybody knows these cups keeps things cold. But I like these ones because they're so big. You see how freaking big that is? Yeah. And this holds a lot of product. Okay. Time check. 3:15, I think. These fries, though, are so good. I literally just forgot. I've already explained how I did these. I didn't cook the fries, though. But the fries are so good. We're only 8 minutes in. This video is actually going to be pretty reasonable. I just wanted a quick mukbang, smoke sesh, blah, blah, blah. Just do something fun and show everybody that I'm going to try to be consistent and do what I can to make good content for my YouTube channel. Because we are now at 5 subscribers. And we need to get that shit up. Oh my gosh. So, has everybody been enjoying the weather? The main thing, the thing with me is that I don't really enjoy a sunny day. We don't love a sunny day, but what we do love is a cloudy day, a dark and cloudy day, with the fog and that and that coldness in the air. Just give a Twilight vibe. Time for another rip. I don't know when it'll have to be in the future, but I'm hoping that 2025 is going to be the year of success for everybody. Not just one person, 2 people, 3 people. I mean everybody. Or at least everybody who deserves it. Because, I mean, Come on. I'm so high, bro. I can't even think straight. But, yeah. We gotta hurry up and get done with this mukbang. So, does anybody have any plans for 2025? Anybody's gonna be graduating this year, or people starting a new school year and just all this crazy stuff? I honestly don't know why I can't seem to process the meaning of New Year's resolutions. Because for me, I would just say New Year's goals. Like, when a new year hits, you can make it where, like, it's a new year, it's a new you. You're going to try to be the best version of yourself. And you're going to try to have the best year possible. I mean, that's awesome. I don't know if it helped or not, but I had to close my window blinds because I felt like it was making the video look too weird. But I think we'll be okay. But yeah, these fries are so good. I mean, do you not see the deliciousness here? Do you not see the sour cream and the shredded cheese? Oh my god. That's so real though. Oh my Jesus Lord. I literally just sprayed like 2 or 3 different perfumes on me like an hour or two ago when I got out of the shower, and yeah. Constantly spraying stuff because, you know, you don't want to be that little hoe who always walks around and smells like a stank ass rotting fish. Nope. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm trying to be too authentic here. That's what you all should be doing though. Don't be getting in front of the camera and changing your personality and your voice tone and how many times you blink per second and everything else. Like, just be your fucking self. Say what you want. Tell everybody how you feel. Just make everybody realize that you are a genuine, authentic person and you're not going to conform to nothing. You're not going to change for nothing. You ain't going to... Period. Clock that bitch. Clock that T. And the funny thing is, I feel like I'm saying so much right now, and the second I get done saying it, I can't even remember what I just said. So crazy. And I'm talking so much, and I still have to get ready soon. This is crazy. What the cheese done. Anyway, sometime this week, if not next week, I'm going to try to come back with another video as soon as possible. And I definitely want to do more mukbangs soon. I also want to do some cooking videos where you can just come and we will cook together and we will smoke together and we will have the best time that we possibly can and try to cook something and eat it for you. I know one thing that I can cook that I definitely would love to cook and we can just mukbang and eat it, and that is buttered noodles. I think I might have to make a video of making some buttered noodles and we'll see where it goes. I really need to get some guest features. I need to get my cousin up on this show. So sorry. But this food is so good. I just can't. But yeah, I don't even remember what I was talking about. Because I'm so high, I can't chew this food up fast, so I've been cutting off a little bit so that I can come back on and, like, I'm not wasting my time chewing all this food. But yeah, definitely going to need to move on soon from this. I wasn't really that hungry to begin with. I wanted a little bit of a munch because, you know, got under the influence very quickly. We should come back and have a lovely night one day and just do a smoke sesh while doing a peel off mask, because this is French pink clay peel off mask, pore clearing, smooths skin for glowing complexion. I don't even remember what I got this from. I think Dollar Tree. Who knows? I thought that was about to fall. Okay, well, I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. So, ow. Yes. Period. You know what? I'm probably gonna save this food because I just don't be trying to eat. I just don't be trying to eat that much. Cause like I've been on a weight loss journey for a little bit. So, and you know what? And this is from the last video, but like, why do I still have these sitting around? I don't need this box. I don't think. I don't know what it has in it. You know, you know what? It is always nice to have these laying around, especially if you have like a lot of them, because it will be harder to lose one. You can just find another one. Because like a lot of these things, you know, they take the C-type charger. So I try to make sure I have plenty of C-type chargers on hand. What the hell is that? But anyway, this video is fixing to take a turn. Y'all might need to come join me over there in just a second. Okay, I brought y'all over here because we got more shenanigans coming your way. I wonder if I should open up the window blinds and maybe it'll enhance the lighting. Well, that was amazing. That rip was bad. Not bad, but like it was. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. So I'll be back in a second. So I am back with this. We're going to get ready now. We're going to get ready together. We're going to do this together. We're going to get through this together, and we're going to have the best Tuesday ever. It's already been a great Tuesday, so don't even play with me. Don't play with me about that. I'm trying to figure out how I should do this. Anyway, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you before and after, so we're going to see what we look like as of right now, and then what we look like when we change the fit. Obviously, nothing crazy, just shorts and shirts. So we're going to get changed, and we'll be back shortly. Yep. We're back. Yeah, so we changed. Yeah. Wait. I have no idea. So today's fit is happening. So yeah, getting ready is pretty basic for me. Um, Basically, all I have to do now is just apply the hairspray, and these are my two favorite perfumes to use at the moment. So this one is called Roberto. You know, I'm not even going to try to say the last name. I'm done. I can't even do this. You can see that. You see how it shine? Period. So yeah. Anyway, and then this one, they're glass. Oh my god. But first of all, that's usually how I always do it. One here, one there. It's almost like I do a cross and go down, and then I also do it in the back or something. I do it some kind of way where if it's strong enough, I don't even need that much sprays anyway, and then I'm all good. But yeah, this is called, I think it's called Holo or Julio or Jolo or something like that, Mayor, and this is like, I don't know if this is supposed to be Egyptian or what it is, but it just looks like something you would find in a celebrity's bathroom. Maybe Madonna or Katy Perry. This is what you'll find with me. But yeah, I spray this. This is for the top. And like, I don't know if anybody else be doing this, but like, I be spraying perfume everywhere. Like, I got something to spray on my shirt, something to spray on my skin, like the neck, and then maybe the arms, and then have another perfume to spray like on the legs, like on the pants or whatever. Like, by the time I be walking out this house, unfuckwithable. If I said that right. Period. Okay, so before we continue with, before we go any further, let's take a rip. This shit's crazy. So we're fixing to get started with doing the hair. Oh my god, so I'm back. That's probably about as good as it's gonna look anyway, but I done put all the hairspray in. So yeah. So let's see. Period. What, did y'all think I was coming over here to punch you in the face or something? Oh no. We're just coming over here to take another rip. Yes. I don't know what that was. When I get really high, like, everything just changes. Yeah, that's great. Um, yeah. I need to finish this thing. Give me a second, and then I'll be right back. Well, I think that is about all that we have time for today. But this was fun. Y'all really need to start commenting and, like, asking for stuff. Or actually, I don't know. Because it depends on what it is. I don't know. We're going to come back soon and do some more fun stuff real shortly. But yeah, anyway, I think that this concludes today's video. Which I said wasn't going to be long, but this isn't as long as, yeah, this isn't as long as the video from the other day. Because, we're only at 26 minutes. The other one was almost like 40, or it was 40, I can't remember. But I do have something to show y'all, though. If you don't ever have a candle burning in your room, what the fuck are you doing? We have Twilight Forest scented candle. No, yes, I did get this from the Dollar General. But it smells really good. But anyway, if you're still watching this video right now, comment Native Strawberry Frosted Body Wash. And anyway, this video is basically... I'm back. So, I'm going to do one more thing for you guys, and then that is it. This is going to wrap things up. Okay? Wait a minute. This thing ain't dead. Wait, what? Okay. Period, bro. Period. Anyway, that last hit was that was a little bit too much of an unhinged behavior. Whew. It's over. Practice manual breathing. That'll help. Definitely need some more of this. Not that I'm gonna find any other gay men in this town. But anyway, that is it. That is all I have for you. So, I'll see you in the next one. Be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and chief you a pen. Feel great, sleep good at night, munch on the delicious food all that you want. And anyway, I don't even know what I'm saying, but I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Period.